About NFT.
My favorite new topic.
I'm so obsessed too.
For people that don't know what NFTs are, right? Non-fungible tokens. You can make digital art that no one can counterfeit. The blockchain allows you to do that. So now we're going to see artists create art digitally. Art gets its value from scarcity. You're going to actually take your phone, you're going to buy it, it's going to go on your phone, you're going to walk home and you're going to throw it up on a giant screen and you're like, that's mine. No one else owns that thing. That's mine.
Why art works is high net worth individuals buy a piece of art, whether they put it in a Moroccan warehouse or whether they put it in their Upper West Side apartment. They're able to
display it.
Hey man, what are these NFTs everybody's talking about? Non-fungible tokens? They're digital assets that you can buy and sell. They're digitally verified and mostly used for digital art. People collect art that doesn't exist physically? Yeah, if a famous artist like Banksy created a limited edition digital artwork, you'll probably want it, right? Yeah, I love Banksy. I could probably resell it too for a profit. Exactly. Recently, this limited edition Nyan Cat sold for over $550,000 last week. That's crazy. I gotta learn more from you.
This CryptoPunk sold for almost $12 million. And if you wanted to buy the cheapest CryptoPunk available, it would be worth about $125,000. Now, I completely missed out on CryptoPunks because foolishly I thought, who the fuck is gonna pay that much money for a JPEG? But no, there is a market here, and knowing that, I've decided to purchase some NFTs for myself. And here it is. This is my very own Pudgy Penguin, and I bought him for about 0.5 Ethereum or $1,400. There's actually only 8,888 of these little penguins compared to the CryptoPunks 10,000, so they're even more rare, and they've actually increased in price by 500% over the last 24 hours. Floor price is only 0.18 Ethereum, so it's still relatively early. I'll let you know how it goes.
Here's how people are making 6 figures a day just flipping NFTs. Now, if you guys don't know anything about NFTs, give me a like and follow. I'm going to make a whole series about them. So an NFT is just any asset that can be verified on the blockchain, but the ones that are blowing up right now and making people rich overnight are collectibles on the Solana ecosystem. So if you guys don't know what Solana is, it's a part of Web 3.0. So first you need to learn how to navigate Web 3. But once you do, you want to go to solanart.io and then browse through, not the top collections, but the new collections. So basically what you want to do with NFT collectibles is get in early. So you want to look for the new collections and then just find something that's still very cheap. So here's a project, for example, called Solamas. And so just a few days ago, each of these llamas was worth like 2 to 3 Solana. So you can see this one was last bought for 2.99 Solana. And now they're looking to flip it for about 150 Solana, which is about what these are going for. So 3 Solana, that's about 300 bucks. 150 Solana, that's about 15K. This dude bought his llama for 900 bucks and now he's trying to flip it for 50,000.
Time for an update on my series to flip NFTs with $10,000. This is day 5. I've been holding the B20 token for the first 4 days, but last night an amazing opportunity came up called CryptoCats. Big shout out to JT2003 from our Breaking Down Discord for sharing this. Here's the summary. Yesterday, someone from the CryptoPunks Discord discovered this old NFT project called CryptoCats. This is special because it predates the ERC 721 standard and is even older than CryptoKitties. On top of that, the creators of CryptoPunks designed a set of the CryptoCats called PunkCats. So when people found out there were still 200 unclaimed CryptoCats, they quickly jumped on it as it was super profitable to claim CryptoPunks in the early days. And I managed to claim 2 cats for 0.8 ETH each. Guess what? I then sold this cat number 289 for 25 ETH. See, it's now going for 29. And I still hold this one, cat 426. Then I bought back into B20 and the account is now at 47.
Ape for 55k right now is actually a great investment. If I would have sold my ape yesterday for 55k, I would have missed out on this. It's been less than 24 hours and now I have a $65,000 offer.
Paul just made $3 million yesterday off of selling his very first non-fungible token. So what does this mean? Well, it means that he's pretty fucking rich. And means that the rest of us are pretty fucking poor. Out of all seriousness though, Logan is catalyzing the acceptance of crypto and this world of NFTs, which can get pretty overwhelming. The thing is though, it's almost inevitable that this technology becomes mainstream and you're gonna miss a huge opportunity if you don't care about it. Luckily though, in an attempt to understand it better myself, over the next few weeks, I'm gonna explain this whole world of blockchain, crypto, NFTs as if my audience was 5 years old. It's gonna be pretty challenging but also pretty fun, so follow along. If not, you may be falling behind as people are taking advantage of what is Web 3.0. Speaking of which,
People are making stupid money with NFT. How do you know which projects to invest in and which ones are going to make you the most money? I have the answer. Find them before they pop off, where the risk is low and the reward is high. And how do you do that? We'll have a website for you that's really helpful. And it's called rarity.tools. What you can do is in the top left section, you can look up existing and also upcoming NFT projects. So if I look at upcoming, they have a ton of projects they're gonna be launching soon. And the great thing is that when they launch, the prices are usually less than 0.1 ETH, 0.05, 0.04, etc. And how you wanna tell is by checking out their Twitter first. So I checked this one out, and this is actually one I really liked. Unstable Horses Yard. They have almost 8,000 followers, so that's a good sign. Then you want to check their website. So they're currently mintable right now. There's like 2,000 left that you can mint, but there's multiple functions. You can breed them, you can race them. It's cool stuff. Then you want to check the community in their Discord. Hope that helps.
NFTs can make you a lot of money this year, and no one's really talking about it. An NFT is a unique asset that can be replicated, counterfeited, or inflated. A lot of things can become NFTs, including art, real estate, and even items of video games. You'd really be surprised by how much people are paying for digital real estate at this moment. And there's a lot of money being made selling digital art as well. Putting your art on the blockchain actually might be the best way to sell your art currently as an artist. Because the art is sold on the blockchain, you're guaranteed ownership, authenticity, and transparency of all the people that have owned and sold that art. This ensures that your art isn't replicated and sold as an original by another person. Blockchain art is still very young, and art like this is being sold for $55,000. As an NFT collector and investor, you want to be looking for the undervalued and unappreciated artists that have a lot of potential to do well over the next few years.
millions of NFTs projects, and most won't succeed. No different than for every Pokemon or Star Wars, there's a black hole or Bucky O'Hare. Or for every Magic the Gathering, there's a Snorks. So much IP out there, but what's very clear is that non-fungible tokens are gonna be a big part of all of your lives. I really believe that. I think this is a space, like a real space. And so I think you should get educated. Spend the 10, 15, 20 hours to go down those rabbit holes on YouTube or Google, depending on how you learn better, audio, video, written word. And I wanna excite my community because I think a lot of you will do well, and this will be the video that you reference in 5, 7, 9 years to being one that got you going in a space that changed your life. NFT, something that I think you'll enjoy.